Okay, Kenneth, so here's your screen, your castle screen, and it consists of three different elements in here. Two of them are just mirrored from each other, but you have your front guy, and if you go ahead and take a look at that, and this is done for a reason, we have these tower tops on this side. And what that does is it provides kind of a hinge for the side walls that are going to go on either side. So that's the front. And you mentioned you want to make these kind of like dice cups in a way, where the dice are thrown inside of the tower, and then they come out a door in the front. And I put that in there. And if we take a look at the other configuration, we have our left wall configuration over here with some sketch geometry in here. If you take a look at this, we have some ramps in here too. So when the dice are actually thrown in the tower top, it'll hit this platform, then that platform, and hopefully mix them up enough. It'll just come out that door over here and onto the play mat in front of it, or whatever that might be called, where the dice come out. Top of the tabletop. And if we put these together into this assembly, now you can see what that does. So this is hinged. So it'll provide the Dungeon Master more or less privacy as desired. If you need more space in here, you could always move that out a little bit, and it's hinged upon that. And the way this works is you put in your left and right walls first, then you put in your front wall to be nested on top of that, and then you have that in place. So take a look at this sideways. If you go to a section view, you can take a look at this. Now you can see how that works when you throw your dice inside of the tower top. It'll come in here and then hit this platform and mix up a little bit, and hit that platform and mix up some more, and then actually dump out the front. So that's a first iteration of this. Let me know if you want to, we're going to do a red X over here. Let me know if you want me to do anything else, if you want to shorten some elements in here, make walls taller. We talked about a 40 centimeter tall tower in here. These are 40 centimeters tall. This is 30 centimeters in the back. And let me know if those change. So I don't know what you want to do about billing in this, but we could do this separately if you like, or we can put it in with the other project. But let me know about things, give me some feedback, and let me know if you want a 3D model. With a 3D model, you're not going to be able to move it around like this, but you can turn it around and look at things from the top and the bottom and take components apart. You just don't have the motion that I have. So let me know.